How to disable and configure focus mode on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to disable and configure focus mode on iPhone iOS 18, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your control center. To do that, you need to just go with the top right, upper right corner of your screen and swipe down. And you will have your control center like this. Once you're in your control center, now if you want to disable or configure your focus mode, then what you need to do is you'll have a focus option right here. You'll have moon icon. You need to tap on it, and then you'll get all of these options. You can turn on your do not disturb mode, or you can go with your personal section, your work, sleep, or gaming. You can go with the three dots, which will be on the right side, and you'll have an option for 1 hour, or until this evening, or until I leave this location. You can also go with your settings to adjust anything if you want to. So if you wanted to turn on the focus mode, you need to tap on it and then go and select any focus. Like for example, if I want to sleep right now, then I'll just simply tap on sleep and my sleep is on. Now here I have my focus mode turned on. And now if you want to disable it, then just simply tap on it and then tap on sleep again and it has been turned off. That's how you can disable and configure focus mode on your iPhone iOS 18. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.